guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little AliExpress haul. Those dies are trickling in and I'm super excited. So first thing is this little like a leaf wreath kinda. It is, you guys, and I need to stop saying it drives me nuts when I watch the playback video. So this is a little under 4 inches wide diameter. This is a really good size and I think this will be cut out cute in like gold, like glitter gold and stuff. Then there's this one. If you guys haven't seen Ida, she's created to create here on YouTube, and she did a really cute tag with like a Santa face right here with this lantern die. I felt like hers looked bigger, but this is a good size. It's like the size of my hand. It's almost 5 inches tall, so super cute. I love this. Then I picked up some of these little like I don't know what these are called. I think these are alligator, no, I don't know, something clasps to make like little baby tassels. It's got the little swivel piece and then this, you know, clasps onto whatever you're using. And I love the gold. Then because stuff was on sale, I picked up 2 of these guys. They're like the little spiral flowery circle looking ones in gold, really pretty gold. Then I knew I ordered some of these flowers in pink. I mean the leaves in pink. These are those velvet ones that I shared last haul. This is definitely more of like a mauve color versus like a pastel pink, like I was hoping maybe, but still super pretty nonetheless. Then I picked up one of these clips. It's like a hair clip, but I'll be ripping that off to like make an embellishment. Look at that. Look at the detail on it. This is a big piece. It's like giant. It's the size of my palm. It's got the crown. She has the lashes. She's backed in black foam. Last time I got one, it was in yellow and it kind of looked, you know, whatever. It was popping out too much yellow, but this one's in black. Super cute and glittery and sparky and extra with all these feathers. Cute little embellishment. And then I picked up this die. Oh my gosh. So Wandy Sweets posted on her Instagram stories. She got a die. She got this die and then this die. And she's like, you guys, this is tiny. And I'm like, oh crap. Sure enough, I get it and it's tiny. It's like the size of 3 fingers. This is definitely not as big as like the original, wherever the original comes from. But it's the back of a truck. I saw several of them on Scrap the World's tag swaps and they were so cute, but this is, you guys, this is like really tiny. Comes with like the door handles. The bed of the truck can say hooray for you and thanks. And then these are like Christmas wreath thingies and all the parts. Why is there a pumpkin? Oh, I guess you could do like a pumpkin themed one. So yeah, still cute, but this is definitely going to be like embellishment sized. Okay, so that is my quick little AliExpress haul. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.